If you follow global headlines, you'll want to hear this. Iran says it's just shot down a wave of enemy planes. But is it true? Iran's military is making big claims. They say they've detected and intercepted 28 hostile aircraft in a single day. According to Iranian officials, one of these was a spy drone caught snooping near sensitive sites. The rest? They're hinting at Israeli fighter jets. But here's where it gets interesting. Israel is pushing back, saying not a single plane or pilot has been lost during its operations in Iran. We've heard similar claims before, but the fog of war makes it hard to know what's real and what's just for show. Both sides are sticking to their stories, and tensions are only heating up in the skies above the Middle East. Are we witnessing a new phase in the shadow conflict, or just another round of high-stakes propaganda? Stay tuned, because in this region, the truth can fly as fast as the jets.